Bettina, what can you tell us about what immigration enforcement has looked like in the last year under this president here in Hawaii?
Here in Hawaii, ICE detentions and deportation orders have more than doubled over the last 12 months. And there have been studies both nationally and for Hawaii that show that over 70% of those being detained in our federal detention center right here at the airport have no criminal history. And people who don't quite understand the distinction between violating a immigration administrative law or policy versus a criminal law will be confused about that, because they'll say, well, if the grandma from the Philippines overstayed her time, then she's committing a crime in the US, but that's not the case. She may have forgotten to notify ICE about her address change or something like that, but she may be regularly in compliance with immigration policy. But under this administration, they're using any reason like that to take people off the streets and put them in detention. So right now, with the increase in number of detainees, our very few nonprofit lawyers across the state have their hands full, and private immigration attorneys as well. There aren't that many versed in getting people out of detention for this type of thing. The most recent problem is that they're not even affording the people in detention due process. They're not letting them bond out or come before a judge to fight their case. They're just being left in the federal detention center alongside convicted felons, and that's really unconstitutional, and it's also scary for them and their families.
Representative Pierrick, do you share those concerns? I mean, when you hear that 70% of those folks that are being detained are not violent criminals,